Hi guys, thank you for tuning in to Chat with Elizabeth. We have been told throughout our whole life, don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Don't be selfish. Today, I'm telling you to be selfish. But why? Like Elizabeth, why are you telling me to be selfish? Because you need to be selfish. But seriously though, guys, you can go through life saying yes to everyone. Yes to everybody's cause. What about yours? What do you want? What is good for you? What environment is safe for you? Before you had friends, you had spouses, and all these things, you were by yourself. You were in the belly of your mother, right? In the dark. And you were born, right? By yourself. And thank God, I pray that you had the, people around to welcome you and love you. But what I'm saying is that before you were a mother, a girlfriend, a friend, a sister, and all this stuff, you were you. Nothing on earth that has to do with you start without you. Everything starts with you. Your world starts with you. If you're good, your kids are good. Your husband, your wife are good. If you're sick, no one benefits from that. If you're depressed, no one benefits from that. You cannot help anybody unless you help you. I am not telling you to be self absorbed. I think what people call selfish is self absorption. The person think the world revolve around themselves. They show no empathy, no concern for anybody. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm saying is that you need to put yourself first. Maybe the word selfish is not the best word to use, but I'm telling you to put yourself first. There is nothing in your life without you. Without you, there's no kids, there's no husband, there's no sister, there's nothing. Don't always put people before you, because you know what? If you drop dead right now, today, everybody's gonna survive. That husband that you put everything on hold for, he's gonna find another wife. That wife you put everything on hold for, she's gonna find another husband, boyfriend, whatever. A kid that you put your everything on hold for, it's gonna be okay. Everybody is going to be just fine if you die today, this second, this minute. Boom. They'll survive. But you know who's gonna be dead? You. You know who's not gonna be there? You. And you know what's gonna happen to the world? It's going to continue to exist, my friend. Yes, it will. So, what I'm saying is put yourself first. Don't be self absorbed or a jerk. That's not what I'm saying. But when you wake up in the morning, take a deep breath. Do something for you. You know that the kids needs to be woken up at a certain time, and you have to help them get ready. Wake up a few minutes before then. Take a little time for yourself. Take care of yourself, and you're gonna see as you start taking care of yourself, you will take better care of the kids, because you know what? They are an extension of you. Your kids, your relationship with your spouse, your friends, work, they are an extension of you. If you don't take care of yourself, everything goes to the toilet. You'll be, you can't give yourself. I'm sorry, you can't give the best of yourself when you don't take care of yourself. Your job will suffer. Take some time to sleep at night. Rest. You need your body strong. Take some time to meditate. Care for yourself. Paint your nails. Something. Care for yourself. Love yourself. And you will see that your world start to change. Your relationships start to change. You will stop yelling so much at your kids because you taking care of you. Don't expect your spouse to take care of you to make you happy. Do things that makes you happy. Remember, your kids are an extension of yourself. If you love yourself, you're taking care of yourself, you will take care of the thing better. You will take better care of the things that you have. It's a fact. All right, guys. I love you and I'm encouraging you to put yourself first. When you do, everything in your life will get better because you know what? Everything in your life is an extension of you, of what you want. And you will treat them better and it will be better. Thank you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.